So what I was saying about these splice connectors or whatever you want to call them, wire connectors, splice connectors, they come in all sorts of different model numbers and whatnot. These are the Y2s. It's based on the wire diameter and whatever you're doing. These Y2s are typically what you get with this type of low voltage wire. In your door sensors that you order, they're going to come with pre-stripped wires. You can't really use those too well with these. See, if you push these all the way in and you crimp that down. In fact, here, let me. So that's a black wire. What you do is you leave the insulation on, and it works a lot better. It creates a good connection because like a tooth forked in there, and it cuts the insulation on either side and holds onto it. Call that like a vampire type connection. Anyway, you use a pair of pliers to just make sure the wire's in there pretty good, and you just clamp it down like that. It has some dielectric grease in there. Don't worry too much about that. It kind of squirts out sometimes. But when you have the stripped wire, it's more prone to pull out real easily, whereas the insulated wire, it's much harder to pull out, and it does create a very good connection because of that vampire teeth going over the wires there. So what I typically do with the door connectors, just strip off the wire, and then I will actually, I guess I gotta cut this one off. I'll just push both wires in there as far as I can go, and you can look in the back and see that one's not pushed in all the way. There we go. And then cinch that down with a pair of pliers. There we go. And now that's not going anywhere, and it has a pretty good connection. So that's an appropriate splice instead of like twirling them around each other. So yeah, that package that I sent you should come with some of these in it. And if you do a lot of that sort of wire splicing, you can just order these. Look up UY2 wire connectors on Amazon.